Hey everybody from Coach Tom. We're having a yard sale today. I've been, as you know, I set up during the week and I get a lot of early bird buyers off my email list and I'm ready to sell stuff, but I just had to show you this. Yeah, it's raining. So that means a lot of people would say, no, I'm not gonna have a yard sale. This is what I found out after doing this like 3 dozen, 4 dozen times. This is what I found out. If you got a garage, keep it in the garage because a lot of people who don't do garage sales regular, as soon as the rain or the weather turns bad, they stop. We're not gonna do it. I keep doing it. So now there's less people, and I live in LA, so there's less people having yard sales in Los Angeles on this rainy morning, and more of them will come to my place. And consequently, when you have more customers and I'm willing to sell stuff, I'm gonna get all this stuff gone today. It's gonna get donated or it's gonna get sold. Most of it's gonna get sold. I'll show you what I mean.
Hey, how much for this hammer? It's pretty cool. It's a framing hammer. You see the grid on the head right there. And the owner may say, oh, I want $18 for that hammer. And you're like, could I give you like $1? And they get all offended.
I used to get a little disturbed a little myself, but then I started to deploy a little bit of empathy and I realized a lot of people don't have yard sales and their only point of reference is what they paid for it. So remembering that helped me negotiate a little bit better, and my technique of, can you do a little better on that? I know, is that what you paid for it? Oh, wow. How about if I take this hammer and 2 other things for like $8, or 4 other things. And it would work out a little bit better because it's just that realization that people don't have yard sales and they don't know how to price stuff and to deal with it. So anyway, that's what I wanted to share today. If it's raining, keep up with that yard sale. Keep it in the garage. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Have a great day. And let's go get this stuff sold so we can go get more stuff to sell and go chase your dreams. If I can do it, you can do it. Talk to you soon.